All right, so it's raining. And I'm gonna leave my device inside the enclosure so it doesn't get wet, but I'm going out. Because I'm not afraid of water. I am not going to know. The rain was raining. Rain. I left my stuff out here. Thank goodness. It's not a big consequence. It's not getting soaked right now. It's okay. I'm bringing this stuff in anyway. But yeah, I want to finish this video. I have finished building my composter. Now, I did a brief live on my Insta-scan, and what I was going to show is what I'm going to do. I'm going to transfer one side. I'm glad this comes off because I can just take it off. I'm going to transfer some of the compost that I already have. Yes. Transport that. Okay. Wind blowing, have an umbrella up above, like the bird bath, and I just let that down. Anyways, so it doesn't blow away. And sometimes I just take it out, put it on the floor so it doesn't blow away. So I think I'm umbrella. There you go, bro. Oh. Got wet, but I did everything already, so no big deal. It's water. It'll dry. It'll be alright. It's not a big deal. Excuse the screen in between us, but I don't want to destroy my equipment that I'm recording on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna set up my Insta-scan, shorter live video inside here. I was charging, but now I was in the middle of a meeting. That's why I had to stop. Wow, when you do it. So let's set up this phone, and I'm gonna start an Instagram live simultaneously with this video, and I'll probably end it ahead of ending this video because I just want to show, like, short interesting part. All right then, so pardon the screen door, but I am trying to not get my phone wet while I do this video. Boom. Yeah. I could do a better angle, I guess. There we go. That. All right. I just have to make sure it's not getting wet, and that's all that really matters. That I'm not getting the equipment wet. I don't care about getting wet myself. I mean, I'm not delicate. Let's just put it that way. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get what I already have over here. It's raining. I'm gonna get my compost I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm going to fill up one side of this with the compost. I think I'm going to go with the dump method. I'm probably not going to do the shovel. It's raining out. So, I had previously been dumping my stuff into this bin. Ooh, smells great. Is that sarcasm? It does not smell great. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do the dump method where I'm just going to take this compost and put it into this side right here. Let's hope it doesn't roll. Ooh, some heavy stuff in the bottom here too. And there you go. I previously was just shaking this thing, and this compost will allow me I'm wasting stuff. That's alright, it's just soil. And it's not like it's deadly and dangerous and I can't touch it. This is gonna go in here and I'm gonna put this door back on and allow the rain to do its work. I'm gonna close it. Rinse my hand off. Now it's finished like this. Instead of just shaking it. Look, I have water coming down from. You don't have a gutter here, so I'm literally able to just take my hand, put it into the water. Hands rinsed. Alright, so I think I'll conclude both of these videos. I'm not afraid of getting wet. I'm probably going to allow this to allow the container that previously had the compost in it to have some water into it. And then I can use that water to water my plants. Yeah, got a little compost in my shoe. Let me take the shoe off, put it in the water stream. Because like this part of the roof doesn't have a collector or a gutter, so the water flows freely over here. I can do this video real quick, and now, like I said, I'm going to conclude this video. That's the end of it. But yeah, I bought and built a composter. I now have a composter that I can spin periodically, and it has two sides to it. So I can have different stages of compost going at the same time. I think I'm going to allow this to sit. Let the rain clear it off. It's awesome. Alright then, so on both sides. It's with justice. Peace. I'm gonna upload this to the YouTube. or whatever platform. I mean, but I'm gonna definitely, I can keep this and load it with something else. Because sometimes YouTube is asinine. That's it. That's the end of the video. This is just a little bit extra. I should probably start a Patreon or something in case y'all want to pay me to do some extra, behind the scenes type stuff. But all of my plants are getting watered. Look at that. Huh. I see an issue over there. I'm gonna correct it right now while I'm sitting right here. I don't know if you can see it, but all the water is not going into that barrel right there. So I'm gonna go out there and move the barrel. I have returned. But yeah, that was it wasn't collecting water. That thing has fallen a few times. I had to have it replaced. It took months for it to come, and then it fell again. It's yeah, not ideal. But hey, you work with what you have. I will probably purchase a bigger system that can hold way more water, because I have, if you see right now, that water collector is full, overflow. It's overflowing right now. So what I'm probably going to do is, so I can have more water to hold, I'm just going to get bigger containers. It's a really simple solution to a simple problem. That's it. That is it. I am going to end this video on, I got a composter. I built this composter. This composter will now help me to rotate the compost. Instead of just like having to shake it by hand, I can spin it. And I got it on sale. So, small things, little things at a time. You don't have to do everything all at once. I just want everyone to know that. Like, you don't have to have like a whole bunch of resources. You don't have to be completely rich. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to, have a network of people that have your best interests in mind. You can just have an idea and start making moves towards it. The idea becoming a reality. And that is what I want to show, the possibilities that you are able to do things, and that's it. That's it. And so I'm just gonna end it at that. Like, I'm gonna end it on well, you heard what they said in the video. Let's go.